Hey everyone, I have a 16 by 20 canvas sitting here. I decided to do a Boilermaker. This is a black canvas that we got, I believe from Hobby Lobby. So I have a big cup and I have a big shot glass. I wanted to show you how I measure for the shot glass. So all I'm going to do is put it up against the cup, and I want to make sure that I put that much paint in here. And this is a big canvas, so we're going to need a lot of paint. So I'm going right up to where the shot glass comes. And that's plenty of paint for this canvas. I'm hoping I don't have to add any. But I wanted to do some color shift and some color as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pull down some color shift. We're going to use the yellow flash and also the aqua flash. We're going to go ahead and try the purple flash. And then I'm going to pull some colors out as well. So we'll use the Soho Cad Yellow Light. These are from Jerry's. And we'll use the, I'm going to have to go with the Blick Bright Aqua Green, because that's about the closest to that color. Because we don't want to use just shift, we want to make sure we have some color. And we'll use the Liquitex Deep Violet. That's about as close as we're going to get to that one. Alright. So I'm going to move that off there. It's a little heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Blick Bright Aqua. And then follow that with the flash. Then we'll go ahead and do some yellow flash. And the Cad Yellow. Now I'm putting purple next to that yellow, but I am layering it. And the purple flash. And then I'm going to put some more of the aqua flash in there. I think I'll do the aqua first. I just saw a clumpy come out. Yep, there it is. Better to get it now than before it hits the canvas. And we'll do some more yellow. Actually, I have enough. I'll do a little more purple. I'm already cringing. Okay. I'm going to push these over here because they're going to get dirty. Okay, let's drop that shot glass right in. I'm going to hold this cup above the canvas. Now, we have to flip that cup, so this ought to be interesting. It's a big canvas. Okay, let some color out. Even if it's just black, we're going to let it out. Okay, here we go. I see a little bit of flash in there, not a lot. So you can either pick the shot glass up and let all your color be there, or you can drag it through, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag it through. Pretty. All right. The moment of truth. So I'm going to let that set for just a second. I'm going to go ahead and torch it and see if anything's underneath there. Before I tilt. That's some pretty lacing going on. Okay. So it looks like most of my color is in this area, so we're going to be careful as we're tilting. But I don't want to lose what we have on the canvas, so we're going to be very careful. I always go back to that middle. And I'm letting it run off because I don't need all that paint on there. And this is going to fold over just a little bit. I'm really hoping we have some color under all that black. I see some cells popping through, but not a lot. But it is kind of cool the way it is. Let me wipe my hands. And we're going to torch. See if we get some more. I did not get mud. Yay. Always worried with that purple and yellow next to each other. Okay, so I'm going to let this set for 10 minutes. For you, it'll just be a few seconds, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I did get some interesting things going on here, but I'm going to leave this for now. Some of this is sinking, but I'm hoping when the black dries that it'll push it back up a little bit. But I think it's pretty cool. I'll give you a close-up here in a second. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. You'll be notified when we upload a new video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Our group is the Parage Posse. And also my Christina Welch Art page. It's really cool. I have to get way back here to show you. They almost look like flowers, don't they? Coming up. So hopefully we'll get some more of that coming up through. But check out all the links below for the paint mixing videos, as well as our Amazon shop for your paint pouring supplies. They're popping up now. Etsy for paintings and jewelry. We have quite a bit in our Etsy shop. We'll be putting more in soon. So, yep, all links below. Check them all out. And we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.